Okay, so you got your brand new iPhone, right? But you don't know how to download any apps on it. Then it's basically useless. So when you first turn on your iPhone or you set it up or whatever, then it asks you to make an iCloud or Apple ID. So you really need your iCloud to download an app. So how do you do it? Go to your settings, press here on login, put in your Apple ID if you have one. If you don't have one, make one. Otherwise, you cannot download anything. So if you don't have one, press on the blue text and then just simply make one. Then if you have one and you logged in, go back to your home screen. Here you can see App Store. If you don't have it there and you cannot find it, you can always scroll once to the right or twice to the right. On the top here you can search for App Store. Okay, here we are. Well, this is basically where you can download any app. So let's see what we can download. TikTok. Okay, press it, press download. So log in, or if you're already logged in, just press download, and that's it.